Hey, future wealth builders, welcome back. In Chapter 4, we built financial intelligence. We strengthened literacy. We elevated it to edification. But knowledge alone does not create peace. You can understand money and still feel unstable. You can earn more and still feel anxious. Welcome to Chapter 5. This is financial well-being, where financial health equals financial wealth. This is all about your soft landing, and this is where we begin to stabilize. Financial well-being is not a net worth. It is not income. It is not status. It is not applause. Financial well-being is in alignment. It is when your financial behavior, your financial capacity, and your emotional regulation move in rhythm. This is where I remind you that financial health is financial wealth. Because if your nervous system is constantly activated, if money triggers panic, if every market fluctuation feels like collapse, you are not wealthy, you are bracing. I want you to think of financial well-being as your soft landing. When a plane prepares to land, the goal is stability. The goal is alignment. The goal is control. We want to avoid turbulence at all costs, but unfortunately, turbulence does exist. And when it does, the pilot does not panic. The pilot trusts their instruments. They trust their training and the hours of preparation. That is financial well-being. It is trusting the structure. Let's review how we got here. Let's start with stage 1, financial awareness. Here, you examine your internal and external ecosystems, your walls in and your walls out. You identify your unique financial genetic code in stage 2. In stage 3, you begin financial healing, reprogramming that code. In stage 4, financial edification. You build literacy, capability, and full participation in financial inclusion. All of those have led us to stage 5, financial well-being, your soft landing. So when turbulence hits, a recession, a job loss, a market dip, the amygdala wants to react. Sell everything. Financial well-being says, pause, take a deep breath, let's check the instruments. Let system 2 lead, because preparation reduces panic, and panic destroys landings. Let me say it clearly again. Financial health is financial wealth. But let's talk about what financial health actually means. It means consistent saving habits, manageable debt, adequate protection, emergency reserves, intentional investing, emotional regulation. Remember, wealth is not loud. Wealth is stable. Wealth is landing safely, even when there is wind under those wings. If your inherited financial narrative says, we are always one step away from losing everything, then even smooth flights feel dangerous. If your narrative says, money must be chased, you may never feel grounded. Financial well-being requires repetition, calm behavior, disciplined execution, and trusting the process. This is how encoded financial behaviors are rewritten. Stage 3. Financial well-being rests on 3 pillars: stability, sustainability, and stewardship. Stability means you can withstand turbulence. Sustainability means your systems run long-term, not short-term, while stewardship means your wealth serves a purpose beyond impulse. This is the soft landing that I am referring to. When you reach financial well-being, you stop chasing volatility. You stop comparing timelines. You stop reacting to noise. You begin trusting preparation. You begin thinking generationally. You begin building with intention. Because the goal was never altitude alone, the goal has always been a soft landing. So remember, avoid turbulence when possible. But when it comes, do not panic. Trust the process. Trust the preparation. Trust the discipline you built, because financial health is financial wealth, and financial well-being is your soft landing. So if you haven't already, get your copy of Generational Wealth Begins with Generational Knowledge. And also visit drjwallace.com, join the newsletter, continue the journey. This is Chapter 5, Financial Well-Being, where stability becomes stewardship, and stewardship becomes legacy. So consider, Chapter 5, you've had your landing. There was some turbulence, but that is to be expected. Now we build what lasts. In Chapter 6, we now step off the runway and into stewardship. This is where you begin creating your financial footprints. This is why generational wealth begins with generational knowledge. I will see you in Chapter 6. Take care.